Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about isLocal function in PySpark. This function returns a true value if a collect or take function can be run locally without any Spark executor. This is useful to determine if Spark is running in local mode. So what exactly is the local mode? When Spark is running in local mode, it means Spark runs on a single machine. There are no worker nodes or cluster involved. Everything that includes driver and executor is happening on the local system or Databricks driver node. That's where you will say it is a local mode. Now why you use it, this will be testing, development, or small scale data processing. In those cases you will be using this single node for the single machine for your PySpark execution. Now here's my data frame that I'm creating by using a data that I have shown you right here, and these are the columns. So we created a data frame called df, and then we'll use the df.show to show you the data. Now let me actually increase the size, and here I'm putting this try and exception. So I'm saying it is local, so getting the value in this variable df.isLocal. So I'm checking if it is going to return me true or false. It will be saved here. Then I'm going to print this value right here for this from this variable. So if this data frame is local or not. In this case it's not going to be isLocal, because I have a Databricks cluster, and that's why I'm getting false value. But in case you have exception is not supported in your environment, you will have this in exception. I will put this code in the description as well. And here we are going to check that this is not needed. This was just I was doing for testing, so we can run it. And now you can see that is data frame local? No, it is false. So this the data frame is created is not just using a driver or single machine, so this is not local because I have a Databricks cluster set up. So thank you very much, and this can be helpful to check in cases you are on a machine that's using just a single node for everything. So thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video.